Older but still good. OBSG, Episode 4. The SOG Paratool. Hello and welcome to Lux Lux Lucem. I am Frank. The Paratool is a multitool, a pair of pliers that came out in 1992 and was manufactured by SOG. Its most distinctive feature is its completely unique opening and deployment system, but we'll come back to that. It also includes all the tools you might need: a medium flathead screwdriver, an awl, a can opener, and a file on one side. The other part of the handle contains a standard blade, a serrated blade, a large flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. But let's get back to the pliers. Its opening mechanism allows access to all the other tools, and it's nothing like what you'd find at the time from Leatherman. Its system is truly unique and allows for classic use along the axis of the handle, but also at an angle to access tight spaces. It's also one of the first pliers to be repairable and customizable by the user. SOG sold a wrench kit for disassembly, as well as a strap cutter blade that could replace one of the two original blades, as shown in this photo. The power tool is truly a unique tool. I've been carrying mine around for 30 years, and I've been waiting to see the same ideas incorporated into a new pair of pliers made by SOG in the USA. Were you familiar with the power tool? What do you think of it? Let me know in the comments. So see you soon for a new video. It will be the first episode of a series about making your own custom Swiss Army knife. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. It really helps out the channel to grow. I'm still Frank and you're still watching Lux Lux Lucem. Take care and see you soon.